This is Corrupt setup video. This is my SCUF controller. Here's my headset. Astros A40s. Here's my PVR. If you can't see it, let me kind of zoom into that. Maybe I should turn the lights on. Here's my PVR. It looks like a Kinect mic, but it's not. Okay, here's my battery. Here's my Xbox. Here's my 900-inch flat screen. My hours at Popeyes. JVC. Here's my PS4. Nobody has it yet. Here's my PS4 headset. Wireless. I just dropped my SCUF controller. Brand new. Look at that, all black. And last of all, my toes.